Director General of the Border Security Force here with me, sir. Big day for the Border Security Force. You're counting down to your raising day, big event at Jaisalmer.
Yes, no doubt about it. It's raising day of the BSF. It's the 57th year that we are approaching, and the force is well geared up on all fronts, whether it's border guarding or other internal security. Then we'll do a wonderful job out of it.
Sir, we saw Home Minister Amit Shah set a precedent of sort when he spent a night at Lethpura in Kashmir. Now he's also planning to take on that challenge at the BOP in Rajasthan as well. How do you see this as far as the morale of your troops is concerned? Also the message that the Home Minister himself, the aura that he carries, that he will take to the border.
I think it's a very great gesture on part of the Honorable Home Minister to be visiting a BOP, staying with the Jawans, having food with them and boosting up their morale. And seeing the actual situation for himself. I think it will do wonders for the morale of the force, and once he sees things for himself, I think there's a lot of scope for improvement, and I think he has been absolutely magnanimous in sanctioning a whole lot of equipment, a whole lot of things for the BSF, and this kind of a gesture on his part, I think it will go a long way in boosting the morale and setting a precedent for others also.
Does it also give a message to the neighbor?
New meaning?
Pakistan, when the top leadership of the country spends time with our border guarding force, does it also give a message to the enemy?
I can only speak for my country and my force. Thank
right,
you.
Sir. So one more question on the politics that is surrounding the Border Security Force right now. Chief Minister of West Bengal has met the Prime Minister on the issue of the jurisdiction. It has become a poll issue in Punjab. But do you feel that this is not the correct perspective which politicians are putting out? You've said it's a myth that BSF is going to replace the state police.
I had put in the points very clear, and I think for us, once a mandate has been given, we'll do our job very judiciously and in cooperation and with complete coordination with the state police. And we'll ensure that there are no ripples created, and we are there to supplement and support the state police, which we'll do fully.
But there are concerns that you will interfere with law and order, which is a state subject.
That's a concern with some people. I'm sure that will not work out at all.
You said investigation will continue to be with the police.
You see, the registration of the case will always be with the local police, the investigation of the case, and finding out whether there's truth in the case or not. That always stands with the local police. We have no role to play at all in these things. So, to be able to say that a certain thing that BSF handed over to us is right or wrong is totally the domain of state police.
And before I let you go, because Punjab is pole-bound, there are concerns that as far as drug dropping is concerned, as far as weapon dropping is concerned, there are a lot of PIA balloons have been spotted, drones have been spotted. Can you just share with our viewers what is it that the BSF is thinking ahead of the elections as far as utilizing the borders to damage Punjab's law and order is concerned?
We'll try our best to, whether it's trying to detect drugs that are coming across the border through the fence, through pipes or through drones. We'll try our best to coordinate whether it's the first line of defense on the border or a second line way behind with the state police. We'll try and detect whatever is possible, nefarious activities as well as nefarious droppings. We'll try and reduce whatever is possible.
Thank you so much for taking time out. That was the Director General of BSF speaking to CNN News 18, laying out the outline for BSF's plan as far as pole-bound Punjab is concerned. Also on that contentious issue of extending the jurisdiction of BSF in border states. With Naveen Bansal, this is Arunima.